Let's embark on a journey to understand the history of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Although the events can be complex, we'll make the story clear and fascinating. A long time ago, in the vast land of Eastern Europe, there were two neighboring countries, Russia and Ukraine. These nations share a rich history full of cultural connections, yet there have been many disagreements along the way. Our story begins in the early days when Ukraine was part of the Kievan Rus, a medieval state that thrived around the 9th century. It was a bustling hub of culture and trade. However, as time went by, different powers sought control over this valuable land. Fast forward to the Soviet Union era in the 20th century. After the Russian Revolution in 1917, Ukraine became part of the Soviet Union, ruled by the central authority in Moscow. Even though Ukraine grew economically, many Ukrainians felt a deep yearning for independence. The Soviet Union eventually dissolved in 1991, and Ukraine declared independence. This was a momentous occasion that brought hope and excitement to many Ukrainian citizens who were eager to forge their own path. However, the road was not easy. Talks of politics and borders sparked debates. A significant chapter in this story came in 2014 with the annexation of Crimea by Russia. This added fuel to the fire, causing tensions between the countries. As the years went on, both Russia and Ukraine struggled with issues related to territory and governance. The conflict was particularly evident in eastern Ukraine, a region where people had differing opinions about being closer to Russia or Ukraine. Political leaders and citizens have worked hard to bring peace and solve differences. It remains a complex issue, with many perspectives and historical ties shaping the conversation. As we conclude our journey, it's essential to remember that history involves stories of people striving for harmony and understanding. By learning about these events, we can appreciate the value of dialogue and empathy in resolving conflicts.